Do you want to turn your Agalonema into a bushy, full plant just like this red Agalonema plant? Then stay tuned because in this video, I will show you exactly how I did it with just 4 professional care techniques. These are easy, science-backed, and they really work. Let's dive in. Agalonema actually prefers a slightly tight root space. When the roots are snug, the plant produces multiple pups from the base, which makes the plant look fuller as soon as they mature. But here is the key. You cannot keep it in the same pot forever. Repot your Agalonema every 12 to 18 months or whenever it's heavily root-bound. Always go for a pot that's just one size larger than the current root ball. For example, this plant was in a 5-inch pot and I shifted it into a 7-inch pot about 6 months ago. That small upgrade gave it room to grow wider and bushier. Many people make the mistake of using chunky mixture that is prepared with larger materials. Instead, Agalonema loves a soft, well-draining soil. You can prepare the potting soil mix for Agalonema by adding 3 parts garden soil, 1 part rice hull, 1 part charcoal, half part sand. You can use both fine sand and coarse sand, and finally 1 part compost. This type of soil mix is light, nutritious, and encourages new pups to form without any resistance. It also keeps the roots healthy and nourished. This one is the most powerful tricks professional growers use. As soon as you notice side branches or new shoots forming at the base and they grow about 1 inch long, prune back the main stem. Keep just a few inches above the soil and remove the top stem. Why? Because this redirects the plant's energy toward the baby shoots, helping them grow stronger, spread faster, and fill out the pot beautifully. I did the same with this plant. And after cutting back the main stem, I saw multiple new shoots and thickened the whole plant in no time. And finally, the care routine that keeps the plant thriving. Give your Agalonema at least 4 to 5 hours of bright indirect light daily. You can also give 2 to 3 hours of very morning sunlight or late afternoon direct sunlight. For hybrids and colorful varieties, it is essential. Wait until about 70 to 80% of the soil is nearly dry before watering again. Since we are using soft structural soil, it holds moisture just right, not too dry or not too soggy. But always check the soil moisture before watering to avoid both overwatering and underwatering, as both can damage the roots or rot the baby shoots. Feed your plant with a balanced fertilizer like NPK 10:10:10 or 13:13:13 every 2 weeks. I also like to add a handful of vermicompost or cow manure once a month. And if you want faster bushier growth, use a fertilizer a bit higher in nitrogen. So there you have it, 4 proven care tips to make your Agalonema bushy, thick, and thriving. Remember, the goal is to encourage multiple plant pups and let them mature. And if you follow these steps consistently, you will definitely see the results. And don't forget, I have created a free PDF guide on making your Agalonema bushier, which you can download for free from the link in the description box below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow plant lovers. See you in the next video.